hello, I'm Angelica Mitra. I'm from Marawi, Lipa City, proud Batangueña. Ang key takeaway ko siguro is that nothing is impossible and you have to dream big. Kasi syempre, tayo isang probinsya lang, probinsyana katulad ko. Who would have thought na penetrate natin yung top, 'di ba? Sa bar exams. Pero yun nga, parang sa akin kasi ay pinilit ko siyang gawin kasi feeling ko if pananatilihin nating dream lang yung dream and not work hard and persevere, magiging baliwala lang yun. So syempre, let's do whatever we can. In fact, more than 100% pwede nating ibigay, no? So that dream would soon become a reality. To fellow 2025 bar exam passers, unang-una congratulations. Ang prayers and hope ko lang ay sana ma-embody natin ng integrity, ethics, and values ng tunay na magagaling na abogado. And I hope na magamit natin yung knowledge of the law, not just para sa pansarili natin, but to help others, to help the society, and become a better Philippines ang ating bansa. Para sa mga nangangarap din maging abogado, kaya nyo yan. Believe in yourself and always pray. If you think bar exam is very much overwhelming, well, it is. Pero kapag pinagsikapan mo siya, take it one step at a time, be consistent. I think, naman siya, nothing is impossible. Ako nga, hindi ko naman pinangarap mag-top ng bar exam, pero binigay. Because I think really, if you're being consistent, you dream of it, you work hard for it, nothing is impossible.